The graph and explicit formula of a geometric sequence are shown. Which of the following statements must be true about the values of B and R? Well, here's the thing. We're going up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. The only way that happens is if R is negative. Why? Well, because if you have like negative, actually no, B is going to be negative and R is going to be negative. Holy cow. All right, so let's backtrack. R is negative. Why? Because if you were to plug in -1, you could get negative. And then if you square it, it's positive and then negative. But here it is, instead of plugging in 1 and getting a negative, we actually get a positive, which means B has to also be negative. So if I were to plug in, these guys, it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down in its reverse form. So both of them have to be negative. What a strange problem indeed.